So while in young commands, I'll explain a little bit briefly in between his rifle demonstration to let you guys know a little bit more. So the first one is prepare to load, where he puts the rifle in between his legs and gets his cartridge out. Prepare to load! He goes into his cartouche and grabs the actual cartridge, closes his cartouche for safety reasons. Next one is load, where you need those two teeth. Load! Rips open the cartridge, spits it out, pours down the gunpowder, puts down the rest of the cartridge. Of course, we're not allowed to fire bullets here anymore. So, rod! He draws his ramrod. Home! Puts down the cartridge. Return! Turns his ramrod, very important. Cap! Puts on his percussion cap to make sure the spark goes down the barrel. Make ready! Present! And then he'll load on his own time. A little bit under 2 minutes there, as there's no bullet that he has to force down, of course. You can still see black powder does set something fired.